case Oriyomi Hamzat. Mi ò bá Oriyomi Hamzat jà. Mi ò bá jà. Mi ò bá jà. But n tó fa ìjà ni wípé òun ló ń bá mi jà, èmi ò bá jà. Èmi ni mo rí nǹkan tí ò dá tó jẹ́ wípé ó lè you wrote it in English. Àwọn tó ní medical directors, àwọn doctors tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ hospital yẹn, àmọ́ wọn tẹ́lẹ̀. Bọ̀tọ́ ti gbórúkọ Yorùbá kan ṣoṣo tó wà ń bẹ̀, wọ́n ti gbórúkọ ẹ̀ wá. Màá kàn sọ Ṣàngó, Dr. Ṣàngó mi ní sọ̀yọ́kù tán. Tó ti gbé wá. Dẹ̀ drag wọn. Àwọn èèyàn ti fẹ́ máa drag medical center yẹn. Drag ẹ̀. Téèyàn bá ṣe nǹkan, tó bá wá sí ibi kan, téèyàn bá ṣe nǹkan, táwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ti tètè correct. What I expected was that, èmi o. What I expected was that, kí post yẹn kó lọ sílẹ̀. Then you went on and post another page. Àwa ní ìgbà tí gbà sanwó, mo ṣe máa ṣe pé mo sanwó kìnnìkan. But ibi tó ti wá bú mi, tó ti pàṣàmọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ síbi tó ti ṣépè. Kò síbi tí mo ti ṣépè fún ẹ. In tí mo sọ sí ẹ, o need láti wá gbé Ṣàngó kó gbọ́ ya kìnnìkan tó bá ní kó wálẹ̀. Kò sẹ́ni kankan tó ní pé kó wálẹ̀. And nobody is fighting with you. Mo dẹ̀ ń sọ náà ni nobody is fighting with you. And you can see bó ṣe ń lọ. So I come here to come and make peace. But I still have to make peace. You know, but when you come and write something like that on my post, where why are you insulting me? Don't come for me. Nobody came for you. Ní United Kingdom, bí o lè wọ bí kankan lọ kọ́kọ́ ní kó mówó wá lóòótọ́. But be rest assured, bó ṣọdún mẹ́ta wá gba bí ilẹ̀. Tó bá yẹ pé kì í ṣe pé bóyá wọ́n help, àwọn èèyàn help underneath. Wá gba bill. Tó bá ti jẹ́ no recourse to public fund ló gbé wá. And as a public person, I was just fearful for you that people will be quoting you and quoting you. Àwọn kan ní kí ló tí mi ò pè é. Why will I call you? Something that you put on the public domain, and I'm a public person. I don't need to call you. I had to respond with my own public page too. Ìròyìn tí ẹ ti ga gan ní ayé dákọ́ bá pè fóònù yẹn ẹ̀ kí ń gbé. Bàbá message yẹn ẹ̀ ní gbé. And so that is the reason. Then apart from that, I don't message people. Whatever I see on the internet and I talk about, and I want to talk about it, it's my own opinion. So I don't need to call you, and you don't need to call me too. You also responded in that way. You also responded in that way. And I know how people have called me and have thanked me for letting you know. You might not know. Èèyàn kan ò kì í ṣàwádé, èèyàn kan ò gbọ́n tán. You understand? I was just being intrigued that you came to the country barely 72 hours. You don't need to put that online. You can, maybe after all, I'm not telling you what to do. Maybe next time when you go to America or something like that, after your visit, you can summarize everything. Àwọn èèyàn mi ṣe báyìí fún mi o, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, mo ṣe gbé bá àwọn tó ti wá sí ìlú yìí náà, mo ṣe máa sọ, tó máa sọ pé thank you United Kingdom, thank you United Kingdom, a gbé fún yín o. It means a lot of things, you know. You can thank United Kingdom at the end of your trip, and nobody will say nǹkan báyìí ló ń sọ, nǹkan báyìí ló ń sọ. But when you stand, I just was fearful for you in the future. To be honest, ore ni mo ṣe. But àwọn tó ń gbé, you know, and this is the problem with fans and trolls and commenters, the bad ones, not the good ones that are on my platform. You understand? So, ore ni mo ṣe, because I'm fearful that some people might use it against you. You don't know. You think you are loved by everybody. But some people might use it against you. You are a public person. And if they use it and tag you, you know, nígbà tí Àgbàlá Daniel náà tó ń ṣe ti enjoy yẹn immediately tí mo sọ pé àwọn fans mi kan o wọ́n ti ní wọ́n máa gbé poster yẹn o wọ́n máa gbé lọ sí embassy o níbi tó ti nà yan o báwọn èèyàn náà ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí nípa sọ̀rọ̀ ní àtìgbà ẹ̀dẹ̀ rí mi kí n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Àgbàlá Gabriel mọ́ mi sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Àgbàlá Gabriel mi sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Muyideen mọ́ because we will always give you what the people or the devil can use against you. You understand? You put it there, out there. I wasn't the one that put it out there. You understand? Lafunki Gold, how are you, my dear? I wasn't the one that put it outside there. But it is the way you came for me. People did not cut your own video. But Kokoro Alate, which is your another subsidiary of your also cut it. You understand? I want make it to be no other blogger cut your own video to me biti. Now what annoys me was the fact that you said I was insulting you, whereas I wasn't insulting you on that show. The show is still there. The show is still there. You insult gbogbo àwọn tó wá ojú gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní tó wá gbé tó wá kí ní airport ni mo capture ni mo gbé sórí ẹni kọ́ ni mo ṣe yẹn àwọn tí ò love and that is what we are also guiding against, you know. Nítorí náà ni pé ẹni tí ò bá fẹ́ ṣe fracas kò wá ní dáyàn lóhùn ní dá lóhùn fracas yàbọ̀dọ̀ mo love God bless you ìdáhùn fracas ni o wá fi dá mi lóhùn pé why you insulting me ṣé màá wá purọ́ ni ìgbà tí mi sọ owó màá sẹ́ pé mo tí mi ò pay die màá sẹ́ pé mo pay die ni don't come for me o ìdáhùn fracas nìyẹn and that was why I went through that route of the fracas. Tó bá wá náà àwọn tó fẹ́ràn àwọn diehard fans èmi lélẹ̀ tí mi ò bá fẹ́ràn many of them ṣé tó wálé tí wọ́n wá Ságídígbò mo wá Ságídígbò mo wá dúpẹ́ pé n tó ń ṣe we love it I love it 52,000 naira ló bá mi débẹ̀ ǹjọ́ yẹn àti pín owó ọmọ ilé ẹ̀kẹ́ puff yẹn la jìjọ ń lọ àti pín owó we have àti pín over 800,000 lọ́jọ́ yẹn kí n tó sọ pé kí n tó máa lọlé jẹ́ káyà Ságídígbò àdè fún àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn tó wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ fi ra drink o ẹ fi ra bread ẹ ṣe ẹgbàmọ̀ ó lè kéré but iye tó kù lọ́wọ́ mi tí Ọlọ́run rí ngbà yẹn ni kò kéré rárá owó mi dẹ̀ ni ẹni tó bá ẹlòmíì lè fún yàn ní 100 million kó jẹ́ pé ẹni tó fún yàn ní 1,000 naira òun ló máa rí blessing gbà jù iye tó bá mi débẹ̀ ǹjọ́ yẹn nìyẹn. To come and just show you love that we love you. Nígbà kan náà, you said something about I love so cool, kinikan. I called you and you were there. And that was it. You know, everybody was like, mommy, auntie, tete pàkíyèsí, Oriyomi sí o, káwọn èèyàn má lọ máa sẹ́ pé bye nípa ẹ o. And that is what exactly I want to do on this show also. But the way you answered me was what triggered me. You answered me in a fracas fashion, and that was why I went through the fracas route. So you know, àbúrò mi Oriyomi. You understand? I'm so magnanimous enough. Ego mi tí bóyá the second show yẹn tó bá yẹ kó bí ẹ nínú gan. Oh my God, I'm very sorry. I love you. You understand? That is me. But nítorí nǹkan tó kọ òun ló trigger me. You understand? Like that. But if you are just tó bá yẹ pé ó wò pé àǹtí dẹ̀ lè máa jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe kinní kan ni o pé wọ́n fẹ́ advise me, maybe you just pull that away or you just went and you know ó lè máa rí bó ṣe rí. But it was your answer to my video, your response to my video. You understand? So God bless you. Nobody wants to pull you down. I have no power to pull anybody down. I don't even say it on my show. I don't have power. Nobody on this earth can pull anybody down. Àwa gan tá wà láàrin ayé, tá àti ìga nínú ayé. Nobody has the power to pull anybody down. But when we correct, when we criticize, constructive criticism in the first video mi yẹn tó ṣe. But the second one was because you triggered me. Why the insult? Nǹkan tó bí mi nínú ni mò ń sọ yẹn. ṣé màá wá sọ pé mo nǹkan tí mo ṣe dáìn mo sọ dáìn ni well, don't come for me. Oh, it's there on my wall unless it has been deleted. You understand? So enjoy your stay in the United Kingdom. Your visas will be gbagba tó bá fi máa gba 10 years. Tó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó bá fẹ́ràn gan wá settlement ẹ máa wá ẹ máa lọ. Irú yín ò lè wá jókòó síbi táwa jókòó sí. You understand? So tó bá jẹ́ pé second video mi yẹn bí ẹ nínú trigger ẹ bí answer ti ẹ náà tó ṣe trigger mi. Má bínú àbúrò mi, àbúrò ló jẹ́ sí mi. So gbogbo ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́nu rẹ sọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé fídíò káàkiri ẹ̀yin fẹ́ jẹun ni ẹ bá jẹun lọ pẹ̀lú orí burúkú tó máa ṣe yín mọ́ tilẹ̀ tẹ́ máa ṣorí burúkú mọ́ tilẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé fídíò káàkiri tẹ́ ń on trend nìyẹn gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ni máa ń trend fún bí mo ṣe trend nígbà A Tribe Called Judah náà nìyẹn. You understand? I trend. But this one might be for a wrong reason, but it's also for a right reason. You understand? I love my àbúrò. Mi ò lè rí kó fẹ́ kí nǹkan kan fẹ́ kọ lẹ́sẹ̀ kí n sọ pé nígbà tó bá ṣubú. A good friend. We always said, did I not tell you? But a bad friend, I want to tell you, but I don't know how you are going to feel. Yo, that is a bad friend. I am a good sister to you, a good auntie to you. When I saw that you were doing something that was very, very good, I came to you personally. Personally, no nǹkan. I came to you. Tí n bá dẹ̀ rí nǹkan tí ó dàbí ẹni pé ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó, kì í ṣe pé kò dáa, but ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó. I can always, because I've but you say the good one. So mo tún lè ṣe tí bá rí nǹkan tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó, èmi náà ni mo ní right láti wá sọ. You understand? It was just that aspect. Why the insult? I didn't insult you in the first video. The second video was a video of Penubimi, and that is why I'm apologizing to you. Mi ò kò sẹ́ni tí mi ò lè bẹ̀. Wàláì mo lè bẹ̀ ọmọ ọjọ́ kan. Kò sẹ́ni tí mi lè bẹ̀. Nítorí náà ni, má bínú Oriyomi Hamzat. You are doing great. We are the ones that you said you are doing great. Àwa bí amaye, àwa lẹ́yìn ẹbí ké. You are doing well. You are. Kò sẹ́ni tó lè mú ẹ wálẹ̀. Èmi ò sí nínú àwọn tó mú yàn wálẹ̀. You understand? Gbogbo àwọn tó wà lórí ìkànnì wọ́n mọ̀ pé tí n bá jókòó tí má ta èèyàn, tí bá sọ pé mo fẹ́ jókòó tí má ta ẹ, mo ti wọ́n ọ̀nẹ́ títí ni. Irú àwọn kan tó ń tẹ̀wọ̀n dé àtàwọn kan tó wà lẹ́wọ̀n àti àwọn wọn títí aṣàdúrà fún wọn, agbàdúrà fún wọn, àṣẹ gbogbo bí mo ṣe rí nìyẹn. And so mo yẹ inú mi wò látàná tí mo ti ń gba calls, tí mo ti ń gba gbogbo nǹkan, mo yẹ inú mi wò pé I was trying to do good. But my good at times might a little bit off. I'm human. You understand? And so, second video, yeah, I apologize. But although we're not ti dá mi lóhùn àwọn èèyàn sọ pé but tó dárúkọ mi, but tó we bá mo tó bá jòwe ẹni, èèyàn mọ̀. But notwithstanding, mo apologize for him. On the second video, tí mo fi bínú gan, tí mo bínú tán, I apologize. Okay? All right, my dear Oriyomi. That's for you. Mommy, you haven't begged me for blocking me mistakenly. More grace. So that is you, Oriyomi. I love you. I was just being fearful for people that you don't know that hate you and want to do otherwise. I was just trying to be a case. On the second video, Timothy Binu go. Oh, apologize. Love to you. Kudos to Abike Jagaban. Thank you, my lovely sister. Kudos to Toyin Adegbite. Lizzie Anjorin. The first person to back with me lórí ọ̀rọ̀, it was Lizzie Anjorin, my daughter. Shola Yusuf, Momo, when got to first on here, that's why I didn't pick your call. Was Lizzie Anjorin. gbogbo àwa tá jọ ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ibi tó dáa la máa ń dúró sí fún yàn. So my daughter Liz Anjorin, finally I've done what you want me to do. My sister Erelu Victoria Ali, thank you. Abike Jagaban, the latest landlady, thank you. Tony Adegbite, Shola Yusuf, Prince Niyo Yewole, thank you so much. Àwọn tí mi lè dárúkọ tán gbogbo àwọn tó ń pè tó ṣàn sọ pé kí má bínú mi ò bínú. Àgbà tí ò bínú lọmọ ẹ̀ pọ̀ jọjọ. You know, it was that element ni, you know, and so bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. I love you. Oriyomi Hamzat. So I'm letting, it's love. I'm doing it from a place of love. The first video. The second video might be a little bit off. It was because of the way I reacted to the comments that you made. So sorry, my darling, you know, human being, you know, I'm a code consider me the mean aboya bi mo se ko ni awon de misinterpret. That is it. I might be misinterpret that comment. Yeah, I might misinterpret it, but ko ye kemi go na binu to be, so you understand. And that is why I came out to apologize to you on the second video. Thank you. And God bless you. Enjoy your stay in the United Kingdom. It's a land that is flowing with milk and honey, that everybody is welcome to it. You know? And apart from that, that was 3 days ago, and it was amidst the protests around immigrant, we don't want immigrants, refugee, go to your country. Hey, they are taking our job, they are doing this, they are using our brain, they are using all our resources. Ẹni tó kàn ló mọ̀. Ní Bolton ibi tí mo ń gbé yìí, Sunday ìwòyí ìjẹjọ, inú fu, ẹ̀dọ̀ fu. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan ṣe nǹkan mi lè lọ síbẹ̀, mi ò lè jáde. Ọmọ mi tí ó mọ̀ láàárọ̀ tó lọ síbi iṣẹ́, ibi ilé mi wà. Police vans tó wà ní Bolton yìí, ó lé ní 1,000. Ọlọ́run gbọ́. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ló ń pè mí láti Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n dìídì gbé Bolton, wọ́n dìídì gbé on sínú kíní ni because of the unrest. So when I saw that thing on Monday or Tuesday, I was like, ẹ jẹ́ ká tètè pa ilé. Thank you Tolúlọpẹ́ Ọmọgábà, ó ṣé àbúrò mi, ó ṣé gan ni. Like, you know, that's why I say I always love you. You know, thank you so much. God bless you. You know, so Oriyomi Hamzat má bínú for the second video. The first one is an awareness creation for everybody that is coming into the United Kingdom. Le wá síbí, wọ́n lè béèrè owó, but the bill will come unless you know somebody at the end of the day. So, and that is what I'm trying to say. So, the second video that I was so annoyed, you know, I'm very sorry for that. Although you have, but it's not tele, but as somebody that is magnanimous, when you think about for what, afosi famora mi ò lè bí ẹ lọ́mọ but àbúrò mi ni, so mo fi ọwọ́ òsì mo fi bẹ wí, mo fi ọwọ́ ọ̀tún báyìí, ọwọ́ méjèèjì gan ni mo fi kó ẹ mọ́ra. Yes, bó ṣe yẹ kí àgbàlagbà ṣe, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. And ìwọ náà á rí pé I just love you. It's coming from a place of love. Thank you very much, everybody that have tuned in or turned in or watching me or going to be listening to it. Èmi àti Oriyomi àní issue o. Mi ò borí Yomi jà. I was only expressing my opinion, and then it got out of hand. Now, as àgbàlagbà tó máa rárá gbà, mo mi fúnra mi mo bọ́ síta, mi ò bá àbúrò mi jà o. Ilé kẹwàá ni àgídìgbò sí mi o, mi ò bá àbúrò mi jà o. Mi gbàjà. I love my àbúrò. That is it. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wá nǹkan kí nǹkan tẹ́ ń bú mi sọ́ndà fídíò mi àti àwọn ẹlẹ́nu rọ́zọ̀. Nígbà tẹ́yin lọ Nàìjíríà, ṣe dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Ṣe ẹ débẹ̀, ẹ wá gbé fọ́tò mi, ẹ gbé fọ́tò ẹ̀, ibi tí mo ti ń gbà lọ́wọ́. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé a ní relationship ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. That is it. But something that is on public domain, we have to talk about it. Tẹ́yin ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ tó ń sọ lẹ́yìn, ìyẹn ló ń jẹ́ pé èèyàn wà sneaky. tí yóò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ń pẹ́ wọ́n ṣe báwọn ẹgbẹ́ rí ebi especially eléyìí tó pè é ládé pé yẹn ṣèbó wá sọ́fíìsì ẹ̀ rí kò ṣe sọ fún nígbà yẹn kò ṣe ṣe kinní kan ẹ̀yin náà lè máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ you understand mi ò bá burú mi jà mi ò bá jà. Thank you and God bless you. I love you so much. With the love, you too will know. I love it. Gbogbo projects, everything. Ni máa ń dá sí àfetí mi ò bá rí, but in bá rí, I definitely put my widow smite there. Thank you. I love you. Gbogbo yín ẹ ṣé gan ni. Tolúlọpẹ́ ọmọ Gaba, thank you. Auntie Victoria Ali, gbogbo yín tẹ́ pẹ̀gbọ́n mi ẹ ṣé everybody. Lọ́tùn lósì. Thank you so much. I love you. Kó lè dá náà lè ń ṣe. Kò sẹ́ni ọmọ Yorùbá ni wá a lè jà. Ọ̀rọ̀ wa lè má yíra wa ń gbà mí. Wọ́n sọ pé àìfẹ̀lẹ̀ kébò sí. Òun ni ò jẹ́ ká mọ̀ bá ṣe máa jí. Hello, ìbò sí o. Ẹlòmíì á sọ pé ìbò sí ìbò sí ìbò sí ìbò sí ìbò ṣe àpò yẹn ṣe jó sí báyìí jó. So ìyẹn ni. So bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. God bless you. I love you. Oriyomi Hamzat Ìbẹ̀jà. I'm only trying to voice my own opinion about that in the first video. The second video was a fracas video. And Mabinu, thank you for coming.
My name is Akianabi. I'm a video director and TV producer of Akomolowe on African Magic. Keep watching Drivetv.
Olólùfẹ́ Drivetv àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Fẹ́mi Sola ẹ máa wo Drivetv. Keep watching Drivetv.
My name is Wole Agba. Taking this time out to tell you all that you keep watching Drivetv. What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ ní ògo ẹ̀? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ fulfilment? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ bí tó bá lọ? Ó ní iṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Ibi ni kò máa wò Drivetv. Thank you. Chloe.
Drivetv. Driving you around the world.